After you've assigned a test to a student, you can sign out of your account. The student should then sign in using their own account credentials that you previously created for them. While you can manage their account via your dashboard, it's important to note that the student must be logged into their own account to sit the tests. Once logged in, the student will see their dashboard, which consists of tasks and results tabs. Please note that when logged into their account, this is the only functionality they have. They cannot make any material changes, including changing their password or purchasing tests. On the Tasks tab, you'll see the tests that have been assigned. In this example, the student, Ottilie, has yet to take a test. To start a test, click the green Take Test button next to the element you wish the student to sit. This will load an instructions screen that outlines key information about the test, such as the time limit, number of questions, number of sections, and any additional rules. The timer will begin once the test is started. To mimic real test conditions, there's an eye-shaped button that, when clicked, will remove all color from the test interface. This can be selected at any point during the test to create a more exam-like environment. Upon completion, students are able to see their score and review their answers. Explanations and corrections are provided for each question. Parents, and, if enabled, tutors and teachers, can view the results and the same detailed feedback in their own accounts.